Everyone thinks the best-selling RV TV is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Monster Vision 2. The Monster Vision 2 caught my attention with its impressive 15.6-inch full HD display and powerful 60W speakers, all priced at $249.99. If you want a portable entertainment system that delivers both visuals and sound for your RV adventures, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 4K resolution means you can clearly see your favorite shows even from the back of the RV. And with up to 25 hours of audio playback, you can enjoy music or movies during your entire road trip without worrying about charging it. The dual HDMI ports allow you to connect devices like your gaming console or streaming stick easily, which is a must-have when you want to unwind after a long day of travel. Plus, its IPX4 weather-resistant design means you can take it outside for movie night under the stars without fearing a little drizzle. Now, some people complain about the battery life for video playback being only around 8 hours. Here's the thing though, if you're using it for audio, it lasts much longer, and if you're parked at a campsite, you can just plug it in. So, if you're mainly watching movies, you might want to factor in charging time during your trip. This is perfect for you if you love outdoor movie nights or need a versatile entertainment hub for camping. Skip this one if you prefer larger screens or plan to watch it primarily inside your RV. Now, if the battery life for video playback bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Westinghouse 24-inch TV. The Westinghouse 24-inch TV with a built-in DVD player stood out to me because of its compact design and price at just $139.99. If you want a straightforward and reliable viewing experience in your RV, this is definitely worth a serious look. This TV offers 720p HD resolution, which can enhance your viewing experience while minimizing flicker during fast motion scenes. The built-in DVD player is a nice touch, letting you watch your favorite movies without needing extra devices, keeping your RV space clutter-free. Plus, it has HDMI and USB ports, which means connecting your streaming devices or gaming consoles is a breeze. It's a great option if you're looking for something lightweight and easy to install. Now, some users mention the sound quality isn't the best, particularly for larger spaces. Here's the thing though, if you're using it in a small RV, it's perfectly adequate, and you can always connect external speakers if you want to amp it up a bit. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, no-frills TV for occasional movie nights. Skip this one if you're looking for smart features or a larger screen experience. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more screen real estate. Product number 3, Westinghouse 32-inch TV. The Westinghouse 32-inch TV caught my eye because of its larger screen and price of $149.99. If you want a more expansive viewing experience without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth considering. Similar to its smaller counterpart, this model also features 720p HD resolution, which gives you a smooth and clear picture. The additional screen size makes it great for group viewing, perfect for family movie nights in the RV. With HDMI and USB inputs, it's flexible for connecting devices like Fire Stick or Roku, so you can stream your favorite shows seamlessly. Plus, it has parental controls, which is a nice feature for families on the go. Now, some reviews pointed out it's not smart enabled, so you can't connect to Wi-Fi directly. Here's the thing though, if you're already using a streaming device, that's a non-issue, and many users prefer having a separate device for better streaming quality anyway. This is perfect for you if you enjoy entertaining family and friends with movies in your RV. Skip this one if you want built-in smart features that allow direct streaming. Now, if you're looking for something even more portable and unique, the next product might be just what you need. Product number 4, NetApp's 7-inch Mini TV. The NetApp's 7-inch Mini TV really surprised me with its portability and price of $125.99. If you're looking for a compact TV that can easily fit into your RV or even your backpack, this is worth a serious look. This mini TV features a 7-inch touchscreen and runs on Android 11. So it's not just a TV, it's like having a mini tablet. You can connect to Wi-Fi and stream your favorite shows directly without needing to rely on a separate device. The projection feature is something I didn't expect, allowing you to enlarge the screen for a bigger viewing area, which is perfect for movie nights outdoors. Plus, with Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, you'll get faster streaming speeds. Now, some users mentioned the screen size might be too small for group viewings. Here's the thing though, it's designed for personal use. And if you're camping solo or just chilling in your RV, it's perfect for your needs. This is perfect for you if you want a super portable and versatile device for on-the-go entertainment. Skip this one if you're looking for something larger for group watching. Now, if you want a full-featured TV that's still RV-friendly, the last product on our list delivers just that. Product number 5, Free Signal TV Transit Platinum. The Free Signal TV Transit Platinum really caught my attention with its smart features and 32-inch screen, priced at $349. If you're looking for a more advanced option for your RV, this one is worth checking out. This TV is specifically designed for mobile use, featuring a 12V power option that integrates perfectly with RV systems. With 1080p HD resolution, you'll enjoy crisp visuals wherever you are. It has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so you can stream directly from apps like Netflix and YouTube without needing extra devices. The durable design is a major plus, especially for RVers who travel through various weather conditions. Now, some users noted it could be a bit pricey compared to other options. Here's the thing though, the durability and smart features make it a solid investment for frequent travelers, ensuring you have reliable entertainment no matter where you go. This is perfect for you if you want a high-tech, durable TV for your RV adventures. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or don't need smart features. In conclusion, we've explored some fantastic options today. From the portable Monster Vision 2 to the more advanced Free Signal TV, there's something for every type of RV enthusiast out there. To wrap it up, we have the portable powerhouse Monster Vision 2, the compact and efficient Westinghouse 24 and 32-inch TVs, the ultra-portable NetIps Mini TV, and the high-tech Free Signal TV Transit Platinum. Each one has its own strengths and quirks, so, depending on your RV lifestyle, there's a perfect fit waiting for you.